So smart grid system is part of the smart city. We can make it become a smart city without smart grid system. So smart grid system, that what we have done with EDC, with utility, is the foundation of the smart city. How can we provide technology into the city without a power management system? The conventional city into smart city, I think this is the whole process that we need Internet of Things mostly. That's why we produce most of the cutting-edge technology like smart homes, smart devices, street lighting, and power management system in the city. And also we try to open the protocol communication for other heterogeneous solutions from different company, different standard, and IEC as well. And that's why they can also join with the universal connectivity network and also with the SCADA system and smart grid system. So smart grid system is part of the smart city. We can make it become a smart city without smart grid system. So smart grid system, that what we have done with EDC, with utility, is the foundation of the smart city. How can we provide technology into the city without a power management system, right? So we build most of the aging infrastructure, like they mentioned, the Greenable energy, renewable energy. When we have enough renewable energy sources, and then we need to maintain and manage the power grid system. Make sure we also can connect with the cutting-edge technology, new devices, and how can we improve the protocol, communication, network, and everything in the city. But the main idea to make the conventional city like Phnom Penh to become a smart city, we need a big idea. We need big idea, we need a smart idea that we also can accumulate most of the data, manage the data, and how can we use those data as well. So right now we have a lot of AI capability tool, AI infusion that also we can manage most of the data by ourselves. So I think that is not a big problem at all if we compare to the last couple decades ago, that we didn't have enough power sources and internet connection. And now everything is ready to transform. And just use our clear idea direction, then I think this is how we reduce the pollution, emission, and the carbon footprint in the city. Like you said, EVs coming. Not only EV adoption, but right now, the utility also has been implementing most of EV station. People that they start using EV. So I think that also part of how can we reduce the pollution. But we need more sustainable solution for other sectors as well, not only one part. So that's why we invented UCN, the Universal Connectivity Network, that's capable to communicate with all those devices, make sure we can transform the whole system together. But the rest of the process with the Greenable city, also part of the renewable energy. If we want to attract more international investors to come to Cambodia and diverse stakeholders, we are certified to run a business here in Cambodia. We need to make the power grid system more reliable, sustainable, and reduce the cost of the electricity. And especially the energy saving is part of our solution also, that we reduce most of the energy losses to sell more energy and improve the way we provide the power to the power consumer. So the fluctuation and volatility of the power generation are really important, that we must diminish that process that make the whole system of the power grid sustainable. And then we also can plan with the Greenable city and also with a smart home as well. So all the process in one loop. I think that is not very complicated for the developing country, even though we don't have resources. But we also can make it become the new city. So that's why we can make a big impact into the government, into the diverse stakeholder or the global market, or whatever that we can also bring into the global market. This is just from my point of view about the revolution of the smart city, smart grid, Internet of Things, smart home, and whatever that we can plan from tangible product or tangible adoption into virtual reality.